The Integrated Village Development Center in Chamarajnagar, Karnataka has been successfully inaugurated, marking a significant step in Ekal Gramothan Foundation's journey towards rural empowerment. With the generous support of Srimati Mridula Jyotiji and Sri Nandaji, this center aims to bring sustainable development opportunities to the community. The event saw the presence of esteemed guests, including Manisha Jain, Executive Director of EVF USA, Srinivas Ji, Zonal Head, and Himanshu Mehra Ji, Project Head, along with several local dignitaries. Their participation underscored the importance of collective action in fostering impactful social change.
मैं अपने आप को इतना ब्लेस्ड समझ रही हूँ क्योंकि ये मैं पहला इनॉग्रेशन देख रही हूँ आईवीडी का जब से मैंने ज्वाइन किया है और ये मेरा वाकई मेरा कह लीजिए गुड फॉर्च्यून है कि इतना सुंदर एक सेलिब्रेशन मैं देख रही हूँ। बहुत ही अच्छे से आप लोगों ने ऑर्गेनाइज करा है, सेंटर इतना सुंदर लग रहा है, मशीनें, कंप्यूटर सब बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से किया है। एंड मृदुला जी, नंदा जी हमारे साथ हैं, उनके सपोर्ट के बिना हम ये सब नहीं कर सकते थे।
At its core, Ekal Gramothan Foundation is dedicated to enhancing rural livelihoods through skill training, digital literacy, organic farming, and entrepreneurship development. The newly launched IVD Center in Chamarajnagar is designed to equip individuals, particularly women and youth, with essential skills that will empower them to build independent and sustainable careers. By providing hands-on training in tailoring, organic farming, and digital education, the center will enable the local population to achieve self-sufficiency and economic stability. To ensure the success of the IVD and maximize its impact, we have implemented a strategic relocation system at regular intervals. The location selection process was meticulously finalized based on a detailed survey, ensuring that each relocation aligns with community needs and project goals. By periodically shifting the IVD centers to different areas, the initiative can reach more beneficiaries, providing skill training to a larger population and optimize resource utilization. This approach enhances accessibility and ensures a broader, more sustainable impact on livelihood opportunities. The unwavering support from donors like Srimati Mridula Jyotiji and Sri Nandaji is instrumental in driving this initiative forward.
Everybody who came there, we thank them. They have shown support and they have provided help. And thank you for Nagaraj ji, Himanshu ji to put together all of these. It's not easy. And connecting us from here to talk to you, it is really great. I feel so thrilled and it feels like we have achieved something somehow. And it's very amazing to see everybody is interested in doing something for their community. And that is what is motivating us to help and proceed and continue support in upcoming years. Okay, so all the best to you all, and I hope everything goes without any hindrance, or any difficulties. So please let us know what else we can do to help. Of course, we trust Nagaraj ji and Himanshu ji to bring us all the details in upcoming future. And all the best to everybody. Thank you so much. Dhanyawad. Namaste ji.
Their contributions ensure that resources and training reach those who need them the most. The inauguration event was not just a celebration of a new beginning, but also a reflection of the transformative impact such centers have on rural communities. As more centers like this emerge and expand their reach through strategic relocation, Ekal Gramothan Foundation continues to shape a brighter future for India's villages. If you wish to be a part of this mission, your support can make a real difference in empowering countless lives.